All right, sir. Faster, faster. Yes, sir. Yay. Oh, this is so fun. Now it's my turn. Stop it already. Crazy vacuum cleaner.
I'm going to go play tennis. I hope the living room is back to normal by the time I get back.
Okay, Mom.
Don't worry. I've got this. You go ahead.
Oh, and the vacuum's broken.
Oh.
Oh, no. Really?
It's okay. I'll fix it when I get back.
Go back, toy. Go back. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Is it really broken?
Emma. The vacuum is broken. It's not working. Error.
Stop!
Huh?
Look, it's not broken. It's cleaning so well.
We want to play too.
It's so nice having the kids help out.
Vacuum's here. And here too. Now. Go. All right, sir. Faster. Yes, sir. Yay. This is so fun. Now it's my turn. Stop it already.
The cleaning looks good. But it feels like something's missing in here. Oh no, what happened? Dad.
Mosquitoes, go away.
Rumble, are you sure you don't want to be my little helper?
Yep, I'm Tico's little helper. Our restaurant is super duper busy. Dear guests, the chef is cooking you well. Enjoy some tea first.
Huh? Well, I'm a chef too.
Mom, are you sure you don't need to wait until Dad is back?
Yes. My barbecue will taste just as good as Dad's.
Hey, Rumbo! Get this mosquito away! They're bothering our guests! Roger that. Make sure I accept these. Rumbo, be careful! Mosquito, I'll catch you.
Broken again? Huh? I should really fix it sometime. Light the fire, come on. Oh. Wow, it's lit.
My eczema gas! Rumbo, you're going to make my kitchen clumps! I'll catch him! Stop right there, mosquitoes!
All's going well. I can manage even when Dad's not here. Fire! Fire! Wow, well done, Rumble.
My most esteemed guest, I'm so sorry for the wait. You may die now. Oh, my restaurant!
Barbecue is harder than making electronics. I really need a massage. It's time to add seasoning. Which one should I use? Which one would Dad use? Rumble, what are you doing?
I'm fighting mosquitoes.
That actually feels pretty good. Here, oh here, and here. Oh, this is the best massage I've ever had. Ow! My barbecue! This is really bad.
All the food I made was ruined. Look at this terrible scene. It's all my fault. All the yummy food is gone.
Try the barbecue I made.
Huh? Super delicious. I'm not really a good helper.
You're Mommy's good helper. I could not have made this barbecue without you.
Whoa! This is the tastiest sausage I ever had. Even better than that. With these sausages, our restaurant can reopen now. Right. We'll share all our sausages with the guests.
What? Give them to these toys? I mean guests. It's not easy to make such tasty barbecue.
Please, Mom.
All right then.
Yay!
But save the biggest drumstick for Dad, so he can taste the delicious barbecue Mom made.
I want one bigger than the biggest. I want the biggest of the big. Hide and seek.
Hey. Rumble, what are you doing here?
We're playing hide and seek. Found you. Dad, come play hide and seek with us. Yeah, you hide and Rumble and I will find you.
No way. I'm too good at hiding. You never find me, and you give up.
No way, we'll definitely find you. Please, play with us, Dad.
All right.
Bravo!
But you have to promise not to give up like last time.
No problem. Let's get started.
Okay, count to 50. No, wait. Count to 100 before you come find me.
1, 2.
Huh?
25, 26, 20, 100. Dad, are you here? Dad, I know you're hiding here. Ow! Dad, are you here? Dad! Mom, Dad is gone. Dad will play hide and seek with us, and we can't find him anywhere.
How about we check the garden?
That's an idea. We haven't looked in the garden yet. Maybe he's in the grass.
The quilt always ends up so wrinkled.
Mom, we still can't find Dad.
So do you want to give up searching? When you've done your best, but still can't get something done, and you don't want to give up, you can always ask for help.
Mom, can I help us for that, right? Dad.
Of course, I'm also really good at playing games. Dad is right here. Huh? What? Hmm? Kids, follow me. We have to find Dad.
Okay. Oh, we check everywhere. Dad, where are you?
Dad is really missing. Maybe we should give up?
No way.
Where could Dad be hiding?
Listen.
Huh?
What's that sound?
Oh, what's going on? Is it dinner time already?
Dad, we found you. Princess and Knight. Robo, no, calm down.
Kids, Dad is here. Look, I brought you something.
Wow! Nice costume! It's my favorite princess dress! Wow! Wow! I'm Princess Tinkle! Wow! Wow! I'm a handsome knight! Cool, let's go! Out! Hey? Back up! Hey! Don't do that! So annoying! Rumble! Hey! Ow! Just watch me! Rabbits Army! Go! Ow!
Oh no, stop right now.
Daddy.
Oh, not bad.
Yay!
Oh. Oh, let's have a donut.
Huh?
Ooh. Hey.
Wow!